It's a lot easier to get all up in arms about the messy room, because not only does that messy room now mean something terrible about our kids, it means something terrible about us and our parenting. We go into fight or flight mode, which does not allow us to show up in the best way. And when we go into fight or flight mode, our kids can feel that. And so their nervous system says, ooh, this person is not safe. They're in fight mode. We need to protect ourselves against this person. And so their nervous system kicks in and they start going into fight or flight mode. And now what you have is two people with their brains turned off, fighting each other. We don't want to be doing that. We don't want to be triggering our nervous systems and then triggering our kids' nervous systems. And also, we want to be aware that just because our kids' nervous systems are triggered, that's not dangerous for us. And we don't have to go into fight or flight mode back to protect ourselves. Actually, we're safe and we can stay in that parasympathetic state and not go into fight or flight mode to protect ourselves.